My name is Kimberly Castro, and I teach kindergarten at Bookman Road Elementary in Richland School District 2 in Columbia, South Carolina. Students in my classroom go through a weekly literacy station rotation where they work in small groups together on reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. This helps students to build independence and responsibility in order to begin taking ownership of their work and materials. This life skill is built early on in kindergarten that will follow students throughout their schooling and well into their careers. Becoming an organized person is a process that begins by learning skills and creating systems for managing materials. Oftentimes, educators become frustrated by lost assignments. For students, creating an organizational system begins to eliminate these frustrations. Developing long-term organizational routines translates to college and career readiness. When students are taught explicit tools for organizing materials, they feel supported and are provided accountability for routinely using these systems, refining them, and adapting for any organizational task. Within our instructional model in Richland 2, this core strategy can work successfully to build engagement or for guided practice and independent practice. Organizing materials creates a classroom environment that cultivates responsibility and independence and encourages students to be fully prepared in order to focus on the task or activity at hand. Doing so ensures students do not lose their assignments, are able to turn these in, and continue their success in and out of the classroom for years to come.